In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a one-pager on Canva, a comprehensive guide designed to help you craft a professional, visually appealing document in just a few simple steps. This process can be useful whether you're working on a school project, an important presentation, or perhaps creating promotional material for your business. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is quick, easy, and free. Now to start your search, simply go to the search bar at the top of the home page and type in one page. Press enter and you'll be greeted by an array of different one-page design templates, each tailored to unique needs and themes. As you scroll through the numerous options, take a moment to think about the tone and style that best fits your purpose. Keep your audience in mind, whether they work in a corporate environment or prefer something more informal and creative. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, give it a click. This will open up a larger preview, allowing you to get a better look at its details and structure. When you're ready to start customizing, look for the Customize this template button. It should be prominently displayed, and clicking it will open the template within Canva's editor. Here's where the fun part begins. You can tweak and tailor the template to better suit your needs. Fortunately, Canva's interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to move elements around or resize them with a simple drag and drop motion. You can change the color scheme to match your brand's colors or a specific theme you'd like to adhere to. Next up, it's time to personalize the text. Click on any text box and simply start typing in your content. Feel free to experiment by changing the font style or size to better fit your information. It's essential that your content remains clear and easy to read, so don't hesitate to make adjustments if need be. Besides tweaking the text, you can also upload your own images or choose from Canva's extensive library of stock photos and illustrations. This breathes even more customization and creativity into your one-pager, helping make sure it stands out. As you continue to finesse your one-pager, remember to periodically save your work. Canva usually does this automatically, but it never hurts to double check, ensuring that no edits are lost. Once you're satisfied with the design, you have the flexibility to download your one-pager in various formats such as PDF or PNG, making sharing incredibly seamless. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a standout one-pager using Canva. With these tools at your disposal and the steps we've gone through today, you're more than equipped to tackle any design challenge. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing!